What's my new hairstyle? I'm putting peas in my hair. Peas in my hair. Why are you putting peas and corn in your hair? Catherine, put it in your mouth. Yes, I'm pretty sure there's some in your hair. Hold on, let's find them. Where are they?